Hi, Beth, and scene. I think that it shows the initiative that someone is really wanting to learn more about how they can use it in their world, first of all, but in the Salesforce instance. And I love that about the AI Force is that it's Salesforce specific. But I think that it shows employers that you're willing to go the extra mile to learn new technology and because it's growing fast and it's here to stay. And I don't think it's here to replace anyone, but if you can work faster and more efficient for your clients, I think the employers are going to really appreciate that as well as your clients. It is a tool for you to use to be more efficient and faster in your current role. But I think that for the certifications, seeing that you went the extra mile and learned and have that interest in the initiative to learn new stuff in the world of tech shows that you're really interested and you're willing to put yourself out there and go the extra mile to stay on top of things. I know how to write a validation rule in Salesforce, but when you have a complex one that takes a little while to figure out, just how to structure it, or if you're struggling with the syntax error, you can plug that validation rule into GPT and ask them to help you with the error, and it will help you because we've all done you're getting the too many quotations or too many commas, and then you go to delete one and you don't have enough. You don't know what comma they're talking about. So in Salesforce, it's saved a lot of time in my daily workload just to ask GPT to help, and not to create it for me, but just to help me figure out, is the structure correct? Is there a better way to write this? A little bit more condensed version that would be a little bit better, because I have done validation rules, which would actually say the same, both of them will say the same thing, but one is a better structure, one is a more condensed version, and it's actually doing the same thing. So that's the main reason that I've used it. Formula fields obviously is very similar to writing a validation rule. Is if you have a complex formula with a lot of ifs and ors and ands in it, it can help you structure that a lot easier and a lot faster. I think what I liked most about the training was it was just really simple to follow, and just each module that you went through, it just kind of built on the other one. So I like the simplicity of it. Very descriptive. I didn't feel like I was lost. If there was anything that you were not familiar with, there was a few links in there that you can go follow up and kind of brush yourself up on, and then return back to the modules and continue from there. So I think it was the simplicity and just the ease of the following through the modules. I appreciate that. I've been in some other trainings before where you were kind of all over the page. You can, following down a rabbit hole. So this was just very, one after the other. And I liked how they kind of built on each other. So after you get through one, you felt comfortable to go to the next. So it was very easy to follow. AI has been such a big thing lately. It's been all over the news. And I've kind of dabbled with AI, just looking for solutions, and I've been struggling with it, getting the correct returns from AI. So going through this program really helped me understand the AI side of things, like what actually the tool is looking for. So it's all about your input, which helped me understand better. I need a better quality input, and I will get a better quality output. So it's kind of like the old saying, ego back in the day with garbage in, garbage out, when everyone was first learning how to use computers and things like that. So very true about AI, and that is what brought that to my attention and made me think of that is what you put in it, you're going to get a better quality out of it. So I think I hear a lot of people talking lately about, this GPT thing is giving me wrong answers. It's not worth the time. I, can look it up myself by the time I get a correct answer. So going through this training and learning how to ask with the right things. And even if you do get a good answer, you can modify your answer to piggyback on the original answer that it sent out originally, and just keep getting the answers, just keep getting better and better and better. So it's just like digging for more information from the tool. So I would recommend anybody that's interested in or is struggling through getting, good responses from their AI tool or GPT tool to go through the training and learn how you can better put the information in to get the better results out. I don't think a lot of people realize that what the value is or how to use it correctly. So this program teaches you how to use it correctly.